What would it do for you and your family to make 6 figures in the next 12 months? How would that make you feel? But some remain vulnerable.
So what do they learn in the training?
There is a solution. Self-reliance is a core value of being an American. Once you learn how to make 6 figures listing luxury homes, your world changes. No boss, your own schedule. It's empowering.
12 sessions, 6 figures, 12 months. What would it do for you in your life? How would that make you feel?
Once you learn how to thrive on your own, life becomes a lot more fun.
Yeah!
Welcome to Week 12 Alpha, your final week. You've made it. Congratulations. Before we start discussing becoming an alpha, let's review our action list from Week 11, Outcome Visioning. 1. We wanted you to write and refine your 3-year outcome vision. Write your 10-day goals and your 1-year goals. Continue your prospecting using the campaign and 1, 2, 3 dialogue, and continue doing your drop-bys each day. Hopefully you've got all these things done. So let's move on to Alpha. An Alpha is the leader of the pack. Your clients need you to lead. So we're going to discuss the traits of an alpha male and an alpha female. We mean this in gender neutral terms because we want you to become a winner. The definition of an alpha is as follows: socially dominant, especially in a group of animals, or the first letter of the Greek alphabet, which also means the beginning or creation. As we are using the term today, we're referring to being a leader. Why? Because your clients are looking to you as their expert. They're looking to you for guidance and wisdom. They're looking to you to make things happen and ensure them that everything will be okay. Ultimately, they're looking to you to lead, and they want you to be the alpha in that regard. So now let's start analyzing the traits of alphas. He is his own man. An alpha is very comfortable with himself. He knows that he is the master of his destiny and solely responsible for his experience of life. He always radiates confidence. He does not fear anyone, and he does not care what people think of him. Slide 8, self-reliant. She only works for herself, and she is responsible for the world that she creates. As a real estate agent, she knows she eats what she kills. She is self-reliant. He's confident, but not arrogant, humbled by the greatness of the natural world, but he knows he does not have to prove himself to anyone. Charismatic. She does not enter a room, she makes an entrance. People are naturally drawn to her. Never flashy, but always magnetic. Witty and funny, a great communicator and diplomat, and knows everything in life is a negotiation. He is decisive. He knows that indecision is always the wrong decision. This is also why alphas often drive the other sex crazy. They are decisive and don't ask others what to do. She is very passionate about life. A true alpha has high ambitions and goals. She follows these to the ultimate end and ends up living a fulfilled life. He is tough and resilient, always learning and adapting. Failure in any endeavor is viewed as a minor setback and as part of the process of life. He acts, learns, adapts, but just keeps moving. He recovers from failure quickly and will be better armed for the next challenge. He will not be deterred from his mission in life. After all, he's an alpha, and alphas have grit. She faces her fears head on, and if knocked down, keeps getting back up. She is not intimidated. She does the intimidating. She is courageous. She is always composed and does not lose control. She thinks things through and is calculated. She controls her emotions, and they don't control her. Slide. An alpha male walks and speaks slowly, but not slow. They are not loose with their tongue or their actions. They are deliberate. An alpha female is tenacious, more than any person you have met in your life. An alpha female is very self-driven and self-disciplined. Once she decides what she wants, her focus intensifies and she takes massive action until she gets it and is single-minded to a fault. He is smart. He is clever and cunning when he needs to be. He is always trying to see beyond the next few moves. She trusts slowly. She is cautious. And she trusts only after others have earned her trust and have been tested to prove it. He dreams his world the way he wants it to be and takes action to make it a reality. He is a dreamer. She is an optimist. Even when everyone else is suffering around them, alpha females know that they can create opportunity from disaster sooner or later. That's another reason why everybody loves her. Boredom comes easily, and he is often on the next obsession and then the next. He is curious. The child inside him never dies. Alpha males are natural explorers. A true alpha female has her own code. Others violate it at their own peril because they are principled. Alpha males are compassionate people. They know life is precious and should be protected. Alpha females are intolerant of evil, and she knows that it must be terminated with extreme prejudice. Of energy suckers, she knows that time is her most valuable asset and has no time for energy suckers. Of course, an alpha male is a leader, dominant but not aggressive. He listens to his team and knows that they are in the fight together. He's not afraid to make mistakes or admit them when he's wrong. While a very passionate person, she is also a pragmatist. She knows that the best laid plans of mice and women are constantly thwarted. When faced with challenges, he methodically strategizes a solution. Because of this, he will always be regarded and compensated highly. He will always be the best at what he does. He's a problem solver. She knows that success is achieved in the preparation. The key is not the will to win, but the will to prepare to win. She is prepared. He is committed to his mission and to his constant self-improvement. He knows that change is an internal process and takes time. He does not blame anyone for his mistakes because he knows that he has the power to make his life better and to become a better man. Life for him is all about constant growth. The real essence of a man is living a life of purpose, and he knows that. Every successful man in history knew this, that life is a learning process. She is physically fit for herself and the battle that lies ahead. He is well dressed. Not that he really cares what anyone thinks of how he dresses. It's just part of his nature. After all, he wants the best in life. She is lucky. When her time is up, the gods seem to be looking the other way. He has become self-actualized and knows that he is the author, not the circumstance. He creates the box that holds all the boxes. He is the context creator. The Alpha knows that tomorrow is promised to no one and to savor life in the now. So now we know that an Alpha is a winner. You are a winner. So take massive action. Create your action lists, your outcome visions and goals. You know what to do. Go for it. Because we are cheering you on. Thank you for taking the time. We appreciate you being part of our team, and we are always here to support you. All the best.